Adjective clauses. Boost your English grammar skills. Hello learners. Welcome back to our ongoing series on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're going to dive into a critical piece of the English language puzzle, adjective clauses. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a firm grasp on what adjective clauses are, how they function, and how you can use them to add depth and specificity to your English writing and conversations. First, let's break down what an adjective clause is. Essentially, an adjective clause is a group of words that contain a subject and a verb, and it describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. It's also known as a relative clause because it is often introduced by a relative pronoun, like who, which, that. An important thing to remember is that an adjective clause is a dependent clause. It cannot stand alone as a sentence. It is dependent on the rest of the sentence to make sense. For example, in the sentence, "The book that you recommended is out of stock," the bold part is the adjective clause. It gives us more information about the noun, book. Adjective clauses can usually be identified by their structure. They often begin with relative pronouns like who, whom, whose, which, or that. But they can also start with where, when, or why, particularly when the noun being modified is a place, time, or reason. Let's look at some examples. 1. The woman who lives next door is a doctor. Here, the adjective clause is giving us more information about the woman. 2. Do you know the reason why he left the job? Here, the adjective clause is modifying the reason. Notice that these adjective clauses are providing essential information to understand the context of the sentence fully. Adjective clauses can be restrictive or non-restrictive. A restrictive adjective clause provides essential information about the noun or pronoun it modifies and is not separated by commas. For example, people who smoke should quit. Here, the clause, who smoke, is crucial to understanding the sentence. On the other hand, a non-restrictive adjective clause adds extra information to the sentence and is separated by commas. For instance, my brother, who lives in New York, is visiting us next week. Here, the clause, who lives in New York, is not crucial to the sentence's main idea. It's additional information. Alright, that's it for our lesson on adjective clauses today. I hope this was helpful in expanding your understanding of English sentence structure and has given you more confidence in using and recognizing adjective clauses. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any aspect of grammar. So, keep writing, keep speaking, and continue to explore the beautiful complexity of the English language. Until next time, happy learning!